Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Coinbase card. First, open the Coinbase app on your mobile device. Then, tap on the Card tab at the bottom of your screen. You'll likely see a prompt to verify your identity. This is a crucial step to activate your card's full features and ensure secure transactions. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to begin the process. Next, you'll be guided through the identity verification process. This typically involves providing some personal details, like your full name and address. You'll also need to upload a clear photo of a valid government-issued identification document, such as a driver's license or passport. Finally, a brief facial recognition scan helps confirm your identity securely. While not always strictly part of card verification, linking a bank account is highly recommended for easy funding. You can add your bank details and Coinbase will send 2 small deposits to your account. You'll then confirm these amounts in the app to verify ownership. This ensures you can effortlessly reload your card with funds when needed. Once all steps are successfully completed, you'll receive a confirmation message within the Coinbase app. This means your card is fully verified and ready to use for purchases wherever Visa debit cards are accepted. You can now enjoy the convenience of spending your crypto rewards and managing your funds directly from your Coinbase account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.